Situated just steps from Idlewood Park is our newest listing here at 140 Veronica Drive. This 3-bedroom home offers a family-friendly floor plan we just can't wait to show you.
The main floor features updated flooring, an updated kitchen with stone countertops, updated bathrooms, and an upper floor laundry room. Let's go on inside so we can show you the many reasons why this could be your next home.
Located within close proximity to St. Patrick's Elementary School, Chicopee Ski Park and Resort, easy access to the expressway and the 401, not to mention various walking trails and parks which connect the entire Idlewood and Stanley Park areas.
This well-maintained home features loads of updates you're gonna love, as well as the future potential of additional living space with finishing the basement.
If you know anyone looking for a home in this sought-after neighborhood, connect them with the Riz team. For details on this home, visit the website linked below. For all of our other great homes, check us out on social media, and remember, don't put it on hold. Call the Riz team to get it sold.